said you're a neutral lady. You turn it off.
You got this.
No, I don't. It's too big of a bite.
See? You got this. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, shit.
Okay, well, don't fall off.
Bring me serious. Yeah, bring me out. I want them to be here so they can help me start this. Daddy taught me how to do it. I can barely touch down on it.
My point exactly.
Clinton can do it.
What if he can't?
There's a little power button, but I could plug it in. It has an electric start. Or should I try and man it?
Man it.
Just for your entertainment?
Pretty much.
Alright, I think it's in here. Shake up the gas, you know?
Oh, you.
Yeah! Listen, Megan, you get over here and try it.
You got this. Come on, little baby. Come on.
You don't understand. This one's a lot harder.
I know it's a lot harder. I can see it.
What's it telling me?
Do you want me to come hold it?
I can put down a kickstand. Okay, no, I'm going to do it.
Put down the kickstand and do it.
No.
That's how your brother did it, and then he stood up on it.
I don't care. I'm going to do it like a man.
We'll do it like a man. I only have 1 minute and 47 seconds
Well,
left.
Good. That's all you need. Turn that thing off.
Come on. Don't be a nasty word.
Trying not to, but I do happen to have one.